The object we are describing is a color pen. A color pen is a living designed to decorate an inscription or an image to make it look more attractive. Inside the box of these color pens are 12 colors. These are reusable. We brought this color pen on a Shopee.
Description. The colors contained in are red, pink, purple, dark blue, light blue, dark green, light green, yellow, orange, gold, brown, and gray. They are of different size of millimeters, and each color pen are slowly lettered. Because English and wood texture so that reading and drawing activities can be done more easily.
Our presentation is over. Thank you. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.